Techni Print EZP brand heat transfer paper from Neenah Coldenhove transfers any image to white or light-colored t-shirts, mouse pads, coasters, puzzles, leather, and other goods. Techni Print EZP heat transfer paper offers a soft, supple transferred image that is vibrant and durable and easy to use, regardless of the model of laser printer or copier used. Neenah Coldenhove recommends using the Oki Data Laser printers for the best results. To get started with your Techni Print EZP heat transfer papers, you need to print your image in reverse or mirrored format using the heavy paper mode. Next, you need to trim the unprinted areas of the transfer if needed. Before transferring the image to the fabric, you need to prepare the fabric by ensuring the surface is clean, dry, and wrinkle-free by using a lint roller and your heat press. You are now ready to transfer the image to the fabric. First, place the transfer image on top of the garment with the print image facing the fabric. When ready, press for 30 seconds at 375 degrees Fahrenheit or 190 degrees Celsius using medium to heavy pressure of 40 to 70 psi or 3 to 5 bar. To receive the best result, open the heat press and wait for 10 to 15 seconds before removing the backing paper. After the transfer, while still hot, peel the paper off in a smooth, even motion. After removing the paper backing, the best way to get a better wash durability is to stretch the garment in all directions while it is still hot. To receive even a softer feel and an even better wash durability, cover the image with parchment paper and repress for 10 seconds. Immediately after heating, stretch it again in all directions while still hot. If you are using an extra soft fabric materials, follow the previous steps to print and prepare your garment. Then use medium to heavy pressure, 70 psi or 3 to 5 bar, at 375 degrees Fahrenheit or 190 degrees Celsius for 10 to 15 seconds. Remove the press and peel the paper after cooling. Unlike the other method, you do not stretch the fabric after transferring the image. Once you have peeled the paper off, place the garment back onto the heat press and cover the image with parchment paper. Then heat the fabric again using medium to heavy pressure or 40 to 70 psi or 3 to 5 bar for 25 seconds to fully bond the image to the fabric. Then remove the parchment paper and immediately stretch the garment in all directions to soften the fabric. As you can see, Neenah Coldenhove Techni Print EZP brand heat transfer papers allow for quick and easy transfer of your images to all white and light colored fabrics.